Hi, there are 3 ways how you can turn on and off silent mode on iPhone 16e. The first one is by going in Control Center. So just swipe down from top right corner and find bell icon. If you can see that it is white and bell is red, then silent mode is turned on. To turn off, tap it once and you'll see here that silent mode is off. Another way how we can enable and disable it is by going in Settings. And here we need to find Sounds and Haptics. And after that, simply tap on the switcher near silent mode. If you wanna turn it on, and to turn off, just tap it again like that. And the last way, more comfortable, is to use Action button, which is located on the left side of the phone. So go in Settings again, find Action button in the list, and set it for silent mode. Then use this back arrow to save changes. And now you can hold it once like that to enable silent mode and hold it again to disable. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.